Good morning to all. Today's my topic is the short story Appointment in Samara. The author is W. Summers Manco. He was born on 25th January 1874. She was an English playwright, novelist, and short story writer. He was among the most popular writers of his era and reputedly the highest paid author during the 1930s. Both Morgan's parents died before he was 10, and the orphan boy was raised by a paternal uncle who was emotionally cold. Education the King's School. Suddenly he did not want to become a lawyer like other men in his family, so he trained and qualified as a physician. First novel in 1897, Lisa of Lambeth, sold out so rapidly that Markham gave up medicine to write full time. His notable works are The Patient Veil, The Moon and Sixpence, of Human Bondage. During the First World War, he was served as an ambulance driver. He also worked for the British Secret Intelligence Service. The short story Appointment in Samara that speaks. There was a merchant in Baghdad. He sent his servant to market to buy provisions. Soon the servant came back white and trembling. He said to the master that when he was in the marketplace, he was jostled by a woman in the crowd. When he turned, he saw it was death that jostled him. She showed a threatening gesture. The servant therefore asked his master to give him a horse so that he can avoid his fate. He will run away to Samara where death will not find him. The merchant gave him his horse. The servant mounted it. He made the horse run as fast as it could. Then the merchant went down to the marketplace. He saw Death standing there in the crowd. He then asked Death why she had frightened his servant by showing a threatening gesture. That morning, Death told the merchant that it was not a threatening gesture. It was only a start of surprise. Death was astonished to see the servant in Baghdad, and she had an appointment with him that night in Samara. It is possible to avoid death. No one wants to die. It is human nature to desire life for eternity. The appointment in Samara, retold by W. Summers Mango, is a brilliant example of flash fiction. During the story, W. Summers Mangum creates the setting at a market in Baghdad. There, a servant encounters death herself. The servant, becoming terrified of death, decides to run, worried that death is chasing him. Ironically enough, the writer shows us that death is inevitable and you can't run from your own destiny. The theme of this story: no one can escape from the death. Thank you.